Name the various sections of textbook Santur 4. What could be the probable reason behind keeping them in textbook? A. If any book introduced in any class, there is some moral and cultural value developed in our student. It is the main purpose of our government. To develop these moral and the cultural value, Santur 4 introduced in class 4, and there are 4 sections in Santur 4 and 12 chapter. Every chapter has some moral value and cultural value in Santur 4. Like the first section is our friendship. You know that the friend is always develop or support in our behind the mental and physical section. That is, we always without friend we cannot live in society. So always friend value is in our life always remain. So fourth section there is the fourth chapter in this, like the Badal and Moti, best friend, and by this chapter we develop the moral concept of the friendship and importance of friendship. Second section is toys and games. Games always play the important role in our life, because without game we cannot develop our physical and mental and spiritual and the discipline in our life. Game also develop discipline, obey the rules, and our health, support our health. So like this chapter or in the garden, talking toys and paper boards, we can develop in the student the importance of game. Third unit is good food. We know that without good mind not develop. We also say the student that good food develop your good mind, and your good mind then you can read very well. And for this reason the importance of good like the energy, carbohydrate, protein and vitamins play our daily life important role. So the like this chapter, the big ladder and good mother's wish, we can give the lesson about the importance of the good food. Last section is the sky. We know that in our around sky, stars, moon and the sun remain in sky. About the sky means we give the knowledge of stars and sun and the importance of moon. We can give the lesson about these many sections, and we can develop the moral and the cultural value in our student. And I call the next
First of all, good morning all of you. We belong to the topic group third. Name the various sections of the textbook Santur. What could be the probable reason behind keeping them in the textbook? First of all, we have to know about what is the definition of textbook. Why given the term, the name of the textbook Santur. Santur means the musical instrument. And what is the meaning of the musical instrument of the book Santur? Yani the music expand and the waves goes towards one place to another by the wave-like structure, by the kindly way respectively. Due to this reason, NCERT or SCERT gave the term of like this chapter Santur. According to me or according to any person. Any books in this world, any books only enhancing the memory. The definition of books is only enhancing the memory and develop the communication power and develop the vocabulary power. This is the definition of the books. And books are the best friend in the world. And any books only give the knowledge. Any books give the knowledge of you or me or any person. My topic is only Santur. What is the problem? Santur only develop the comprehensive life structure and activity based book. Santur is the only activity based book. Mr. Rashid sir is describing about a lot of number of chapters in Santur. These chapters are only belonging to the activity based and activity pedagogical based, foundational based, communication based and practically based, emotionally based in Santur. Okay, any problem sir?
Yeah, very good.
And Santur will also develop the only physically, mentally and lovable character. And some
बादल and
I study about some part of Santur. Santur only develop the grammatical portion, antonyms, synonyms, vocabulary power, and rhyming words also develop, and poetry and prose form both belonging here.
Yeah.
And prose is only the unlimited and limited structure by the writer, by the poet, by the any author. And poetry means only the virgin power. And rhyming also develop here. This is the Santur.
Wow, very good.
And grammar is necessary for you. Grammar is only need for the any student.
बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया. Very
Grammar
good.
is the only and grammar is the only develop for Santur.
बहुत
First of all.
बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया.
और आगे
बहुत अच्छा.